commissioners were chosen by a committee which included the Chief Justice, Leader of Opposition, Prime Minister. That was changed. It was changed by the government, by the Prime Minister. The Chief Justice was removed from that committee, and a BJP person was added to that committee. That's the first step. Second step, immediately before the Lok Sabha elections, Election Commissioner was removed. 2 new election commissioners were put in place. But this press conference is specifically about Maharashtra, and I'd like to give you some details about what we have found about the Maharashtra elections. And these are, of course, some questions to the Election Commission. Question number 1. In 5 years, between Vidhan Sabha 2019 and Lok Sabha 2024, 32 lakh voters were added on the electoral rolls of Maharashtra. However, in a period of 5 months between Lok Sabha 2024, which these parties won, and Vidhan Sabha 2024, 39 lakh new voters were added in Maharashtra. Now the question is, why are more voters being added in 5 months after the Lok Sabha election than are being added in 5 years prior? Who are these 39 lakh people? To give an idea of what happened here, that is the equivalent of an Indian state. The state of Himachal Pradesh has an equivalent number of voters. That the voting population of Himachal Pradesh was added to the voting list of Maharashtra after Lok Sabha elections.